Let's talk about KitchenCraft Colourworks Silicone Slotted Spoon, 27 cm pink. For serving cooked fruit and vegetables, slots allow cooking liquids to drain with ease. With a rigid nylon core for ultimate durability, perfect for lifting heavier foods, such as potatoes and dumplings. Anti-scratch, perfect for use on non-stick surfaces without damage. Odour, stain and heat resistant to temperatures as high as 260 degrees Celsius 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Coated with the highest quality European grade food safe silicone LFGB, complete with a 5-year guarantee. Odour, stain and heat resistant to temperatures as high as 260 degrees Celsius 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Coated with the highest quality LFGB-grade, food safe silicone, complete with a 5-year guarantee. I was lucky enough to have a set of Le Creuset cast iron saucepans and a Le Creuset cast iron round casserole as an early Christmas present from my husband, so I have now invested in silicone spoons, ladle and spatula, which will not damage the pans like metal ones would. Having now used the silicone tools, I wouldn't use anything else. They are great, they look good, they have a nice feel to them, they can go in the dishwasher and they come out like new each time, unlike wooden tools that age with use. My mom uses them now too. I found my plastic spoons were scratching my non-stick pan, so I thought I would try these new silicone utensils. I bought the spoon and the slotted spoon. They feel really nice in the head with a good weight and are really grippy. The bowl area is a little smaller than the plastic utensils I have used in the past, probably about normal wooden spoon size. Will definitely buy more. Product if very useful, but it is just a bit bigger than a tablespoon. It's too small for cooking really, as if you have the pan on a high heat it can burn your hand. Also I have quite a deep pan, so if I let the spoon rest, it almost goes right inside the pan. That being said, if was a little bigger, it would be the perfect utensil, sturdy, robust, slightly flexible for better control, curve so picking things up is easier, good grip. So apart from the size, it is great. I suppose that's my fault for not measuring out how long 27 centimeters is. If you don't mind that length, then definitely recommend.